In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to use the give command in Minecraft in under 1 minute. So better keep watching till the end. Let's get started. So first of all, you need to allow the cheats on your world. Then press T to open the chat and write slash give space and choose, you can use Alt A or you can write the username. I'm going to use my username by click on tab to go down and then space. Then choose what you want to give that user. As example, let's give myself dirt. You can just write dirt and space under the amount. Let's go with the 300 and click on enter. As you can see, I received 300 dirt. Let's do it again, and instead of dirt, let's give myself wooden axe. As you can see right here, let's say I want 30 wooden axe and click on enter, and as you can see, I receive it directly to my inventory. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and thanks for watching.